Hello friends, I'm your host Divij Singh and I'm with a new episode of Mapology. And today we'll learn about Asia and its countries. So let's start. This is Russia. It is the largest country in the world and it is the only country in North Asia and it is located over here. This is Kazakhstan. It is the 9th biggest country in the world and it is in East Asia and it is located over here. This is Mongolia. It is the 24th largest country in the world and its capital name is very funny, named Ulaanbaatar and it is located over here. This is the Philippines. It is the 23rd largest country in the world and it is located over here. This is Indonesia. It is in Southeast Asia and Philippines is also in the Southeast Asia and they are located, this is located over here. This is Malaysia and Singapore. Malaysia is the 19th biggest country in the world and Singapore is one of the most beautiful countries in the world and they are located over here. These are in Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan and the country I live in, India. They are located over here. These are Afghanistan and Pakistan. And Pakistan is an enemy country of India and they are located over here. This is Japan and it is a friend of India and the fastest train also runs in Japan and they are located over. This is located over here. This is Iran. It is the 23rd largest country in the world and it is located over here. These are Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Tajikistan and Kyrgyzstan and they are also in East Asia. They are located over here. These are Saudi Arabia, Yemen and Oman and Saudi Arabia is the 11th biggest country in the world and they are located over here. These are Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam and Cambodia. And Thailand is a friend of India and Vietnam has lots of rice. They are located over here. These are Syria, Israel, Iraq and Turkey. And Turkey is an enemy country of India and Israel is a friend country of India. And they are located over here. This is the last country of Asia and it is named China and the flags of these countries are, this is Japan's flag and the Japan's capital is Tokyo and are located over here. This is Turkey's flag and here is the capital of Turkey, Ankara. This is Afghanistan's flag and this is Afghanistan's capital, Kabul. capital city Seoul. This is my country, India's flag, and India's capital is New Delhi. This is Malaysia's flag, and there's the Malaysia's capital city, Kuala Lumpur. This is Vietnam's flag, and here's Vietnam's capital, Hanoi. This is Saudi Arabia's flag, and this is Saudi Arabia's capital city, Riyadh. This is the Philippines flag, and there's the Philippines capital city, Manila. This is Iraq's flag, and here's Iraq's capital city, Baghdad. This is Russia's flag, and here's Russia's capital city, Moscow. This is the Bangladesh's flag, and here's Bangladesh's capital city, Dhaka. Here is Sri Lanka's flag, and Sri Lanka is over here, and it was not a country over here, but it has a flag, and this is Sri Lanka's capital city, Colombo. This is Singapore's flag, and the country's capital city's name is also the same name of the country, Singapore City. And there is this is Iran's flag, and here's the Iran's capital city, Tehran. This is Thailand's flag, and here's the Thailand's capital city, Bangkok. This is Indonesia's flag, and here's Indonesia's capital city, Jakarta. Here is Nepal's flag, and here's Nepal's capital city, Kathmandu. Here's Pakistan's flag, and here's Pakistan's capital city, Islamabad. This is the last flag, and it's China's flag, and here's China's capital city, Beijing. So friends, these were the Asian countries. Please subscribe and like my channel. Bye friends. Thank you.